In this video, I'll be talking about 5 things you need to do immediately you land in Canada. Okay, 5 important things that you need to do within the first few days of you arriving in Canada. And for anyone that isn't relocating to Canada, this can also be applied in any Western country that you are planning to go to. So please watch this video till the end. Hi, welcome back again to Elevate with T. So we are going to go through the step-by-step guide on what to do immediately you land in Canada. The very first thing you need to do is to get your social insurance number. This they also call your SIN or SIN. This is a 9-digit number that identifies you that you are in Canada. And it's a very important number that you must have if you're looking to get a job, if you're looking to open a bank account. It is also useful to file your taxes or to be able to access um, government benefits. So it is a very important number that you have to get. And once you're in Canada, you would be able to get it from any Service Canada location. Um, you might be able to book an appointment online so that you don't go there and wait for a long period of time. But if you're not able to get an appointment online, make sure that you set out early, very early in the morning, because usually there's a long queue in such locations. So you want to go very early so that you wouldn't have to wait for a period of time. And also, when you're going, please don't forget your documents, your immigration documents, your passports, because these are the documents that will be used to process your social insurance number. The second one I'll be talking about is getting a local cell phone plan. Using your international number in Canada might be very expensive if you choose to be roaming. It is important that you get a SIM card and just sign up for a local phone plan. This is also important when you're dealing with employers or with landlord. They when they see that you have a local number, they are more at peace at dealing with you. But if what they see is an international number, they might be hesitant to deal with you. So it is important that you get your local phone plan immediately you land. And where can you get this? Just look for the nearest mall. All those phone service providers are usually in malls. You can also just shop around to see which of those providers have the best deals, right? So you would always find them in the malls, and you can just get the one that best fits your budget or what exactly you're looking for. The third thing that you need to do immediately you land in Canada is to open a bank account. That is very important because you need to get a debit card, of course, as well as a credit card. Um, Now, I want to put it out there that getting a credit card is doesn't equate to getting free money. No, you get a credit card because in Canada you have to build a credit history. So in the nearest future, if you're planning to get a car, planning to get a home, your credit score plays an important part in that process. So your credit card isn't a free money or an avenue for you to spend lavishly. You use it when you need it and then you repay. If you're not able to pay back what you've spent on your credit card, you will begin to pay high interest on your credit card. So it's important to know that it's not free money. You use it when you need it, and just do accordingly to what is expected. You're not just spending anyhow. You use the card when you need it and you repay it as at when due. Okay. The other thing is the fourth point is for you to start to search for accommodation in Canada. The the advice I can give is that when you come into Canada, you can get a temporary accommodation because jet lag and all of that. You need a place to first rest. So in the few days of landing in Canada, you can be in a hotel or Airbnb, and afterwards you can begin to find accommodation. And where can you find this accommodation? There's a platform as a Kijiji. You can find on Facebook Marketplace. Also, you could browse property management companies. They also have all this available accommodation. The fifth thing I would say you need to do immediately you get into Canada is to get your health card. You need your health card to be able to access health services in Canada. Okay, and when you're applying, you just need to also find a service center in any of the province that you choose to go to or that you choose to live in, and you would go to apply for your health card. Again, your immigration documents, your passport will be required to process your health card. And also don't forget that you need to go to this location as early as possible, because usually the queue is quite long. In that same line, you need to find a family doctor. You would have to start to find a family doctor so you can walk into the clinics there. Sometimes you can just do a walk-in and ask if they are receiving or accepting new patients. You need to get that sorted as soon as you land, because you need a family doctor. Now, I'm just going to throw this in there as a bonus. You need to get your driver's license if you intend to drive. Usually, you would have come with your international driver's license, but that can only you can only be allowed to use that for a limited number of days, depending on the province that you are. So, at the end of the day, you still have to do follow all the requirements to getting a Canadian driver's license. However, if you're not planning to drive in Canada, you need to get a bus pass. This you can use to move around, because you can't always get on a single ride like Uber and the rest of it. So a bus pass will be important. And I just want to say that I pray that the land favors you. I would say explore the land, go to different areas, just, enjoy those first few days. Don't stress, and welcome to Canada and just have fun. Until my next video, I will see you again. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It will help the growth of this channel. Like, comment, and share with anyone that you think might need this information. Thank you, and God bless.